Welcome back. People of Kalangut have opposed and demanded stopping of all the dance bars operating in their area. They got agitated after few people were assaulted by some bouncers of an illegal dance bar. Kalangut MLA has warned of a dire agitation if the dance bars are not stopped.
इतले सांगूंक सोदता कलंगूट पुलिस स्टेशनाक की या फुडें जो तर डांस बार चालू जायत I will come and sit here in front of the police station. I will not get up. I will not even eat or drink. This is too much.
On 31st December, some people, few of them were taxi drivers, were assaulted by bouncers of a dance bar. The dance bar is known to be illegal. They alleged that the bouncers hit them brutally.
आम्ही तेका विचारपाक गेले रे बाबा तुम्ही आमच्या फुडल्यान बाटल्यो कित्याक ते म्हणाले तुम्ही कोण हांगाले तुम्ही दादा आमकां कांय सांगूंक लागले बॅड वर्ड्स दिले तेंच्यांनी खूब आनी तेन्ना चड जाले हें तेंच्यांनी आमकां एटॅक केलो मोठी बिटी मारल्यो सो आमी ते सोडून मागीर हॉटेला कडेन येयले हॉटेला कडेन येता 2 मिनटांनी सगळे कामी रॉड बी घेवन सगळे मारपाक गेले आनी एटॅक करपाक सारके फूल स्विंगान एटॅक केलो काय सेफ्टी करपाक आमकां चान्सूच ना डायरेक्ट पयली हेड शॉट तकलेन मारली रॉड बी हाजेर पयली हांगार मारलेली ती सेफ केली दुसरी हांगार मारली सोमती कानाक डॅमेज तकलेन फाटल्यान डॅमेज.
However, police have registered a case against the bouncers.
We have registered an offence and presently investigation is in progress. 2 accused persons, namely Vicky Fernandez and Ronak Pavaskar, are arrested in this case.
Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has assured a new look to the cottage hospital in Chikhali. He informed that 6 paramedical courses will be started by month of June in GMC. Also, nurses will have post-graduation courses. The work of Chikhali Hospital will commence by April, which caters to 4 constituencies of Murgaon.
Prudent, through its special report, had raised issue of deteriorated state of ambulances at Chikhali Hospital. When media questioned Parsekar on the ambulance issue, he said that 1 ambulance will be allotted to the hospital immediately.
I understand, and this problem we knew, discrepancies we knew, we were aware of it, and one new ambulance is being added to this hospital from today.
Lakshmikant Parsekar along with Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida and others visited the Chikhali Hospital on Thursday. Parsekar stressed the need for more nurses and paramedical courses.
ज्या राज्याक इतले दोतोर करपाची कॅपॅसिटी आसा थंय पॅरामेडिकल कोर्सेस नसा बे कशेंच फ्रॉम कमिंग जून वी आर introducing at least 5-6 new paramedical courses. We are attempting to start post graduation also. पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन करतकीर आमकां 2 वर्सां नंतर MSc नर्सिंग जाल्ले क्वॉलिफायड हँड्स मेळटले आमकां फॅकल्टी म्हणून मेळटले जेणे करून नर्सिंग कॉलेज जे आसा जे 100 व्हरून व्हरतले ते 2-4 व्हरूंक मेळटले.
Government has plans to extend and develop the Chikhali Cottage Hospital.
ऑर्थोपेडिकाचे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर हांगा जावंक जाय आनी ऑर्थोपेडिक सर्जनूय हांगा येवंक जाय. येणाऱ्या काळात करूया आमी.
Reporter Surendra Matkekar for Prudent.
I-League football action should return to Vasco's Tilak Stadium in February. The Chief Secretary B. Vijayan inspected the stadium under repairs on Wednesday and revealed that the work should be completed by end of this month.
Chief Secretary B. Vijayan, Sports Secretary Keshav Chandra, Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida and SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes took the stock of the situation at Tilak Maidan. Due to work not being completed at first expected deadline of January, I-League had to be shifted to Dhuler ground. But the ground at Mapsa is not suitable for live telecast of matches. The stadium at Vasco will now be equipped in all sense with floodlights and other facilities for players, referees and media. Hence, the authorities want the matches back in Vasco as soon as possible.
To ensure that the work is completed on time, and we can start the I-League here. That is the whole purpose of taking up this work, because Fatauda Stadium is not available for the I-League. And our immediate concern is regarding the telecasting of the matches. So there are some I-League matches which have to be telecast, and therefore this arena lighting becomes extremely important. So the pace at which the work is going, the contractor is ensuring that it will be completed by January end, so that we can start our I-League matches in the first week of February.
I am thankful that the Chief Secretary had come today. The ground काम खूप slow चलतले आनी आमकां जाय आयली गेम्स हिंगा वास्कोकार आनी गोंयकारां ताका लागून हांवें रिक्वेस्ट केलें चीफ सेक्रेटरी येवपा इन्स्पेक्ट करपाक आनी आयज तो इन्स्पेक्शन करून ताणें एक टार्गेट दिला सम टायम फ्रेम दिला.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.